So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding World. And guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a U-loop system in our racing game. It is very easy and for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we will create another sprite. It should be full black. Now go in the text, the fill should be white, and then type U U lose. Okay, now bring it in the middle and then I'll just drag it over here. And now in the sprite 2 we will say when I start as a clone forever if touching the sprite 1 just broadcast the message you lose. Okay, so now we will go in the sprite 4, which is our you lose sprite, and then we will say when flag is clicked hide, and then say when I receive you lose go forward like 4 layers and then just show and then stop all. So now if you see, whenever we touch any of these cars, it displays you lose on the screen and the game stops. So yeah guys, this was all for today and our racing game is ready. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.